TrendChecker, and in this video we will learn about how TrendChecker is beneficial for you and how you can use the TrendChecker to make your trading better. So this is in this video we will go from basic to advanced. To take out your notes so you can write down any important things that you want to use, and also if you have any questions, comment down below. If you like the video, you know the game, give the like, comment, share, subscribe to the video. Okay, so let's start with the TrendChecker. First of all, for the people who are new and do not know anything about trading, we will go from step by step, from basic to the advanced level. TrendChecker is an indicator that is used on the TradingView platform. TradingView platform is free to use. A TrendChecker is a paid premium indicator. Now, when we say indicator, there are two types of indicators on the market. There are tons of indicators, but majorly there are two types of indicators. First is leading indicator. Second is lagging indicator. Most of the indicators available on the market are lagging indicator. What lagging indicators are? There are basically, they print any data after the candle is confirmed or candle is closed. That means once something is already happened, after that it is giving you the data. Majorly, almost all indicators are lagging type of indicator, because they drive the data from the candle itself, right? So whatever you are see on the indicators are showing the data of the past. Based on that, you are taking the information in and you are taking the decisions for the future. You are predicting the future. Okay, now the TrendChecker is a leading type of indicator and lagging type of indicator, both. You can say it is a leading also and both. Why it is a leading? Because it gives you the accurate prediction of the next move, right? Why it is lagging? Because it is also like so many other indicators, it is taking the data from the candle itself, and so many other specifications like RSIs and MACDs and other indicators. It takes the data from those indicators and show you in a bunch of TrendChecker A and TrendChecker B indicators. Yes, TrendChecker is in two parts. There is a TrendChecker A and TrendChecker B. Both shows different types of data for you to analyze the market and take the informed decisions for your trading. Now, where you can get the TrendChecker, we have the website TrendChecker.io. You can go to the website and we have few plans. You can go with any plan you like. Now, before we start with the TrendChecker and understand how it works, let's understand how the market works, right? Let me draw you the simple terms so you can understand it better, that you saw it regularly in the charts. First of all, any market, whatever you see, it's never going straight up or straight down, right? Any asset, any price, it's never going to go up in a straight line. It is always go in parts. What parts? Different cycles. The cycles is higher high and higher low. Like whenever you see price is going up, it retraces a bit before it's going up. Similarly, when price is going down, it retraces up before it's going down. So it is always from the up move. For the markup phase, you can say it's making a higher high and higher lows continuously, right? And whenever the price is going down, the asset price will clearly make a lower low and lower highs, right? From this basic understanding, you can say if it is a uptrend or a downtrend, right? But if it was that simple, so many people should be billionaire by now, right? So let me understand why people make mistakes while trading. So we know that market behaves in a structure in a higher high higher low formation, and before it's going down it creates a M pattern and break the previous low and create a new lower lows, and before it's going up it creates a W pattern, break the previous high and continue the higher high higher low formation. Right, so basically this is the structure of the market. It can be any asset, it can be Tesla, Apple, crypto, oil or anything. Right, whenever you see chart on the trading view, you can easily found these patterns, this market cycles on the chart. Right, it can be on weekly time frame also, it can be on second time frame also. Right, it is applied to everything. Now for trading, our basic strategy is to buy low and sell high. Right, you purchase an asset at the lower price and sell it at the higher price. Right, for long and short with leverage it's a different story. You long at the lowest price, you sell at the highest price, and for short you sell at the highest price and buy it back at the lowest price. So the gap between the two will be your profit, right, according to your leverage. Now trend checker can be applied with the spot marking also, spot trading also, with leverage trading and to binary also. We already have seen how market works. Now let's start to understand how TrendChecker A works. In this video we will learn about TrendChecker A only, and for the TrendChecker B we will see in the next video. Whenever you see price is going up, there are in TrendChecker A we use multiple EMAs to understand the market situation. We use majorly is first TrendChecker A. In TrendChecker A you will see there is a green line, green zone working. It is called as 50 EMA zone. It's a 50 EMA zone for a reason, because above and below there are multiple orders, market orders or limit orders are available. So it is called a zone instead of only 150 EMA line. Along with this there is a white line that will be shown by a blue line here in this chart, is called a 5 SMA line known as TrendChecker 2. Now 5 SMA is a short-term moving average that understand as the current trend. Right? This blue line shows you the current trend of the market. Now along with this, with 50 EMA and 5 SMA, we use two more indicators named as 800 EMA and 200 EMA. You will see a line that is becoming a green and red time to time is 200 EMA line, that is represented as red line, and a blue line, purple line, purple line, it is a 800 EMA that you can see in the chart. Right? So now let's understand on trading view that how TrendChecker A works. When you open a trading view and you have granted, we have granted you the access of the TrendChecker A, whenever you apply to the chart, it is going to look like TrendChecker A like this. Right? For this video and for my trading, I always use the Heikinesi candles instead of a normal candles, but you can use any candle chart you like. You can use Japanese candles, Heikinesi candles, or regression candles as well. So as we understand, let us go with one by one for all the portions of the EMAs on the TrendChecker A chart. Now, the line that you see, a zone represented by a yellow line, are called a 50 EMA zone that we saw here, right? The white line that you see on the chart is called a TrendChecker 2 line, that is given with the blue line here. The green line, this green line and this red line represented as 200 EMA that we saw here, right? And this blue line is 800 EMA. Now why those EMAs are important? Because market behaves differently at those EMAs when they create a structure. If you see, market always form M's and W near those EMAs. If you want to see the market structure on this chart, by the way, this is the Bitcoin and US dollar Coinbase exchange chart. Let me remove the drawings and we see the market structure in the current formation. It is very, you can see it naked eyes. Let me draw it for you. This is the W pattern. And level 1, level 2, level 3, and it is creating a big M pattern. See, this is the market structure that we see right here. It is always forming M's and W's, these M's and W's near any specific moving average. It can be 50 EMA zone, or it can be 200, or it can be 800 EMA, right? So that is why we use those EMA in the TrendChecker A to understand the current market trend. The TrendChecker itself tell you the current trend, right? So now, how to understand what is the current trend is running? There are two ways you can say if it is an uptrend or a downtrend. In the downtrend, price will be below the 50 EMA zone, also below the 5 SM zone, and also below the PVSRA. Now PVSRA means parabolic support and resistance, that is represented as yellow dots here, right? Those are called PVSRA, means it is a parabolic support and resistance. The exact setting I use is 0.01 for start, for increment 0.01, and max value is also 0.01. So basically it shows the current market trend. So you can see it clearly that currently on the Bitcoin on the daily time frame, the market is markdown phase. Why markdown phase? Because it is clearly making first lower low, lower highs, right? It is also below the 50 EMA zone, also below the PVSRA line, right? So it is defined as markdown phase. In markup phase, it is opposite of the markdown phase. Price will be above the 50 EMA zone and also above the PVSRA line and also above the TrendChecker 2 line. The most important line in the TrendChecker is TrendChecker 2 line, because it helps us to create a decision for the future prediction, right? Now in TrendChecker A, you get two types of signal. First one is when you click the inputs on the entry signal, there is a TrendChecker signal and the TrendChecker 2 signal. The TrendChecker signal we call the 50 EMA is the TrendChecker signal. That means whenever price cross 50 EMA, it is gonna give you the buy signal. Similarly, whenever price cross the 50 EMA, it is going to give you a sell signal. Whenever you use TrendChecker 2 line, that means TrendChecker 2 is our white line. Whenever price cross the white line, it is gonna give you a buy signal, and whenever price cross, it is gonna give you the sell signal, right? You can use any signal type you prefer in any time frame. There are a lot of questions. Many people ask me that what time frame is the best time frame for the TrendChecker. Man, basically you can trade any time frame you like, right? It is never about the time frame. It is about the trend. What is the current trend of the market? What is the current volume strength in the market, right? What is the market cycle of the market? What is the structure of the market? Those are the important things, not the time frame. You can trade 30-second time frame, you can trade daily time frame, you can trade weekly time frame as well. Now, there are multiple types of trading in the trading world. Many people know it is different names like swing trading, day trading, scalping, and binary trading, right? What is the day trading? Day trading means you trade daily. You trade daily. You get up in the morning, sit down opposite to your laptop or your screen or your setup, and you trade every single day. What is the swing trading? Swing trading means you trade position wise in the market. That means if you think price is going up for a longer period of time, that means on daily or weekly or monthly time frame, you take a position in the market, long or short, and you stay and stick to the market. You don't trade every single day. You just take a position time to time, right? What is the binary trading? Binary trading is the extremely risky format of all in the trading. That means you can trade daily, also can trade swing in it, but there is a catch. In binary trading, you always have expiry, and when the expiry happens, if market is not in your favor, you're gonna lose the capital that you have put or you have risked. But if you win the market, if you win your trade, you're gonna get the double, right? That is the catch of the binary trading. That is why it is extremely risky, but at the same time it is extremely rewarding as well. Now, if you know what you are doing in the market, binary trading becomes very easy for you to do. Every type of trading is very easy. I'm not saying that you only have to do binary trading in order to make money. You can trade daily as well, you can trade swing trading as well, but reality is the more capital you have, more chance of going success in trading, right? Because in current market situation, exchange provide leverage, but in order to use those high leverage, what you will have to do is use higher leverage. By using higher leverage, you are risking your capital to get liquidated at very short period of time. If you don't use leverage, if you use only your capital, then it is going to become extremely hard to make any money from it. In order for you to use lower leverage, you will have to have a large capital with you. So binary becomes very easy to use because first you don't have to put a lot of money in it, and you can trade anytime you like, plus reward is instantaneous. Means if your expiry time is 1 minute, 2 minutes or 5 minutes, in 5 minutes you win a trade and you can withdraw it right away, right? Also on leverage trading, you will have to wait for a move to happen. You cannot just put a trade and take money out in 5 minutes. If there is no market movement, there is no volatility, you cannot do anything. But in binary, it is only a candle away. only a candle away. So now we understand what is TrendChecker A, and let me again go with TrendChecker A, how TrendChecker A functions. First of all, this is the 50 EMA zone. The white line is TrendChecker 2. The yellow, we haven't gone with the S and R, right? This is the normal support and resistance. The red dots that you see and green dots that you see is called a support and resistance. You can clearly see from that part price dropped, and from here it was going up, right? This yellow dots are also support and resistance, but it is parabolic one, PVSRA. The normal support and resistance are red dots and green dots. The market maker indicator, that means you can also say a volatility indicator, is represented by a yellow diamond above the candles. Yellow diamond, whenever a yellow diamond prints, it means there is a volatility coming into the market, and those volatility is gonna fade away the current trend, right? So in our consultation we go in deep with those particular MMI diamonds and other strategies as well. So this is the basic video to understand how TrendChecker A can help you in your trading. We have seen 50 EMA, we have seen 200 EMA, we have seen 800 EMA, we have seen parabolic SNR, we have seen support and resistance, we have seen market maker indication, volatility index, right? So this is the basic of the TrendChecker A that you can use and make money with the trading. Now if you have any questions, you can comment it. You can ask me on my Telegram. You can join our Telegram, it's free to join. And see you on the next video. Thank you so much. And before I go out, if you like the video, please give a like, share your thoughts on comments, share with the people you think it can be helpful, and subscribe to the channel. See you.